Hey, what is up everyone? So today we're going to go ahead and do the intake boot to this car because in the previous video, well, you can't really see here, but it kind of ripped off. The intake boot right here is right here, kind of ripped off actually. Let me just do this real quick. See? So there's pieces still left in there. This is one of the main issues, was because I'll show you guys here. This is the old boot here. This guy ends up ripping after a while. So this is actually the second one that ripped, but this is because this was already used and it was already it had a slight cut on it already, so that was bound to happen either way. The other one, while driving, it completely came off. Now also the other thing was this doesn't really play a huge part, but you know, you want to make sure your system is breathing correctly. So yeah, this guy also broke off while trying to adjust everything here. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what else you guys need to do to be able to replace these. So I went ahead and ordered these off online. I ordered this off FCP Euro, which these weren't actually that bad. These were probably about maybe 11 bucks each piece. Yes, each piece, but I mean, hey, you get something new and then you're able to replace it right away, and they have lifetime warranty. I'm okay with that. So if it rips, I can order a new one and have it replaced right away. Alright, so to get this started off, there are two bolts here which looking at them, they're T40s. There's one right here and one right here. But to be able to reach this one, this guy right here is blocking. So there's actually a clip right in there, which if you just go in and kind of just pry it out, you should be good to go. Just pry this up, it'll disengage. I mean, it'll just loosen up this guy here to be able to come off of this plug here. Then afterwards, you get your T40 and make sure you unbolt this guy and the one down there. So let me go ahead and do that. And of course, to get through all this as well, you gotta make sure you take this guy off, which is one. It's actually two that holds it up, two 10mm, but I only have one, so I'll do with that. Alright, so as the camera can capture, there is a bolt right here, and your other hose, which would be this guy here, they both have 6mm bolts, or if not, you can just use a flathead and you can take those out. But if you have enough room for it, I would recommend you can do that. So for this part, you need this little middle part here, which goes onto this one as well. So basically this here, this little plastic that goes inside here, keeps these two guys together. So you have to kind of find a way how to pry this back out. So since I'm not going to use this anymore, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of like gently pry this thing out here. Well, not gently, I probably am going to destroy this. But if you just kind of push it in here, you're making your way out. There you go. So now this O-ring or whatever it is, this plastic, it's kind of like an O adapter here. You clamp it down on this guy, and you make sure you have your ring on this guy here, and you clamp it in. So just press it in, tighten both of these down, and then this part goes to your airbox. So let's go ahead and tighten these out. I already put back this 10mm bolt, and then also I went ahead and tightened all the clamps down and everything. Now all that's left is the two T40 screws that go on here. So this guy, all you want to make sure is you push it back in there. So you just push it back in the hole, put the T40 screws on, and I'll go ahead and show you guys that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, you guys learned something, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.